Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Yamuna Digital Research Foundation. So today I will discuss about the very important term how to playwright automation with Python, complete beginner tutorial and page object model and PyTest related things. Before as a beginner, we are very important to understand the concept and logic. So before what are doing and which step will understanding like the what is the page object model in this video you will be learn how to automate the web application using the Playwright with Python, and will cover the complete setup to creating a project from scratch. Write the first test case, understand the page object model framework. So what topic in cover in the video? So our topic is what is the playwright? Comes in mind the question is what is a playwright? Why use playwright? Install the Python playwright. Install VS Code and PyCharm. So this is a install the PyCode and VS Code, this related thing. And playwright folder structure. Write the first automation test case. What is the page object model? Locator in playwright. Assertion. Running test in PyTest. HTML report and best practices. What is the best practices? These things will be covered in the upcoming video. So you will be concentrate this series and focus and stay tuned the how to command. So what is the command like the pip install playwright installation, pip install PyTest installation, PyTest version, what is the headed mode, what is the headless mode, and how to HTML report. So this type of related question in the very important. So without delay, I will in this video I will give the walkthrough. Today in this video we will learn the playwright automation with Python from scratch. So you know about the playwright. So playwright is one of the modern automation framework developed by Microsoft. It is a support the Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, making the great choice with the cross browser testing. Let again repeat, it is a support the Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, making a great choice of the cross-browser testing. Let beginning installing the Playwright. Open to the terminal and run the command. So what let before the I share the screen. So I will follow the step and you will be do same way and you are able to do that. So just I am sharing the our screen without delay. So here I am sharing our screen like the notepad. So first we understand the logic. So logic will be like this. So let open the video, just stop sharing and open, re-share again. So I think you are able to see my screen, right? So let's discuss one by one. So here I am recording the video behalf of Yamuna Digital Research Foundation. You know Yamuna Digital Research Foundation, one of the great foundation which is working underprivileged student, those needed to primary education in all things. So this foundation is already work a lot of things, but and this is providing the information for the behalf of your learning and process all things. So in this video, playwright automation with understanding. So I will write the code, write the step how to install. So open your terminal. Open the terminal and run. What run? So as a beginner, you are very important to understand the step terminology because without understanding the step, you are not able to do anything. So what command? You know about the if you are using the Python, so use the pip installation playwright. Playwright. Then after that, you are going to the then install the browser binary file. So what is the binary playwright? So use the browser. Just correct this. browser binary. So after that, next step is like the first go to the terminal, install the PIP, install Playwright. What is the next step? So Playwright install. So install the Playwright, and we also install the PyTest. So also what it will install? PIP install PyTest. So first thing, you will be install the PIP install Playwright, Playwright install, and then PIP install PyTest. After that, you will be now let create a project structure. So what will be the project structure? Create the following project structure. So various developer, various teams will be doing the different type of, but as per recommended automation industry, you will be follow the this pattern. What is the pattern? So you will be follow the page object model pattern. So first create the one page folder, second create the test folder, and third create the like the utils folder, and fourth one create the config folder. So four is mandatory for if you using the page object model. Inside the page folder, create a login page class. So page method, you will be create the login class method and contain all the locator and method related to the login page. After inside the test folder, create the test file like the test login.py, and let first launch the browser and navigate the application. So what is the next step? First, launch the browser. Launch the browser. After that, navigate to the application. Enter username, password, click login, and variety of the dashboard each display. Next, understand the project page object model structure. So, what is the term comes in the picture? Page object model. So, page object model, page object model structure. So what is the page object model? So page object model is one of the classes will be stored in page method, and test method will be stored in the test method. So inside the page classes make the framework easier to maintain the reuse. Now run the test using the how to. So pytest hyphen version, and to run each in headed mode. After that, PyTest hyphen hyphen headed mode. So what is the headed or headless? Headed mode means browser will be launched our test case will be visible in the browser. But if you are headless, you are not able to see the browser what you are doing the browser. To generate an HTML report. So HTML report. So PyTest HTML equal report dot html. So HTML report. Playwright provide the powerful locator. So Playwright provide the powerful locator. So what is the locator? Locators mean like the finding the element. So which type of locator using generally in Playwright? So one locator name is like the get by role. Next locator get by tags. Get by placeholder. And next locator, CSS locator. And next, get by text, get by value. And last one is XPath. So XPath is also locator. So these are in Playwright framework using the Playwright locator. So get by role, get by text, get by placeholder, CSS locator, and XPath. These are the various thinking like the locator. Some best practices. What is the best practices? Someone asks in like the if you are doing the interview or any coding round interview, so someone asks what is the best practices of the playwright. So let's discuss the best practices. What is the best practices? So best practices, first one, let first one. So use the page object model. Second, what is the best practices? The second best practice, avoid hard coded weight. Third best practices, keep test data separate. Separate. Why separate? Suppose some environment change, test data change, URL change, login credential will be changed. So our test data will be stored in separate. Next, what is the best practice? Keep, sorry, you will be follow the next step is follow clean code standard. So you will be follow the master clean, follow the clean code standard. Avoid hard coded means like the you are don't use avoid the various things. So avoid the hard coded things will be ignored. So today I have explained about the like the behalf of Yamuna Digital Research Foundation, Playwright Automation Python. So I have provided to how to install the Playwright, use the PIP installation Playwright. After that, various browser like the WebKit, Chromium will be launched. Then Playwright will be installed, PyTest will be installed, and recommended structure of folder I have shared like the page, test, utils, and configuration file. After that, first launch the browser, and after launching the use must we use the page object model because page object model is a recommended as per industry. You check the PyTest version, and to run the headed mode like the if you want to run the headed mode, so use the headed mode, use the PyTest hyphen headed mode. To generate the HTML report, so you will be follow the this command to PyTest HTML report. After that, Playwright locator, various locator will be available. Get by role, get by text, placeholder by get by placeholder, CSS locator, XPath. So what is the best practices? So use page object model because as per industry, it is a very important to use the page object model. Avoid hard-coded weight. So hard-coded weight will be avoid. Keep test data in separate folder. So always try to use the key test data in separate folder. Follow the clean port standard policy. So follow the clean port standard policy. So that's for today tutorial. If you found the video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe. In the next video, we will build the complete Playwright framework with the PyTest, page object model, reporting, screenshot, login, CI/CD integration. So thanks for watching this video. See you in your next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So let's stop the recording.